All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and welcome to my lead intelligence review video. I'm inside the members area here, and today I'm going to give you a look inside. I'm going to share my thoughts, and you can see if you want to check this out for yourself. Now, what is lead intelligence? Lead intelligence is a software that allows you to build quiz funnels. All right. Now, people online love doing quizzes. They love learning about themselves. They also love sharing their results with friends and family, so you can get even more leads through these shares. And it's basically a really cool method just for increasing the conversions in your funnel. All right. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to walk through each section, and I'm going to tell you a bit more about how it works. All right. So first of all, we've got a nice introduction from Trevor here, who's giving you some resources to help you out. He's giving you a free training about how to get the most out of the software. There's a support desk, there's a Facebook group if you've got questions, you need more help. And then we get into the why and the benefits. Why have a quiz funnel anyway? So let's check this out. So right here is your sort of traditional sales funnel, okay, your traditional affiliate marketing funnel. Sending traffic to an opt-in page, giving a lead magnet, an ebook, a free training, getting emails, sending people to a bridge page. You've got a video on there talking a bit more about an offer that you really recommend, and then bam, sending people to your affiliate link, okay? And that works really well, you know, loads of people using it, but check it out compared to the quiz funnel, okay? So this time you're sending traffic not to an opt-in page, but a welcome page saying, hey, welcome to the quiz. Would you like to learn this and this and this about yourself? And people are like, yeah, I want to learn that. You know, this sounds fun. And as I said, people like to discover stuff about themselves, so they're going to click, all right? And they're going to be hit with these different questions. And these questions can be very cleverly set up so that you can start segmenting people by their interest, okay? So you can ask certain questions like, what's your experience with affiliate marketing? Or how many people have you got on your email list? You know, 1,000, less than 1,000, 0, this sort of stuff. You can ask people stuff like, how much money have you spent on online training and courses in the past year, okay? So you can segment people by buyer behavior, see who actually buys and who's spent nothing, okay? You can do all these cool little things. Another potential I see for this is you can sort of pre-frame people as well. If you cleverly ask questions which make people sort of think, fucking hell, you know, I've got a problem that I need to fix, you know, like I don't have an email list, you know, I'm not succeeding with this. You're sort of pre-framing people and pre-selling people onto whatever you're gonna promote to them in the end, okay? So there's some real cool potential with this. And what happens is, to get their results, then they have to opt in, okay? And this is really clever because once someone's done 3, 4, 5 questions, they've started something, they put something in motion, and human beings like to see things out to their conclusion, okay? So once they've done all these questions, if you ask them to opt in, they'll be like, well, yeah, I've come this far, okay, yeah, I'm gonna opt in, okay? So a really good way to get your conversions there. They come to a results page, all right? The results, they can actually go and share to other people. They can go share that quiz. So your quiz has the you know, the potential to go viral in that way. And then depending on the answers they gave you, you can send them to different offers, okay? So maybe if you ask people, hey, what are you most interested in? Are you interested in lead gen? Are you interested in freelancing? Are you interested in copywriting? Like what's your interest? If they say copywriting, bam, send them to a copywriting offer, okay? They've told you what they want, send them to that, okay? So you can actually send people to different offers, all right? So it's a way of getting to know your audience and not trying to guess what people are into. So it's very cool. I really like it. So let's check out what else is going on here. We've got a quick overview of how it works. Jorge here is the other geezer who put it together. He's going to take you through. We've got a walkthrough and all this sort of stuff. We've got done for you quizzes. So if you don't want to make your own, there's plenty in here that are already done. And this is the training, by the way. There's done for you campaigns. You've got full-on campaigns that are all set up, and he also takes you through the logic of how to set up a really good quiz that flows nicely, and how to award points and all this sort of stuff. Okay, we've got case studies. All right, Jorge here. Let me see if I can open up this video. Let me just skip to the end, somewhere around here. So he's look, he's asked his list, or people opting in. He's asked them, what are you interested in? And look, 58% said they want more tutorials. Okay, so he's like, okay, well, I know that I need to, you know, promote more tutorial sort of content. Okay, massive stuff there. You know, very few people were interested in JVZoo and Warrior Plus stuff. So he said, okay, well, I don't want to be hitting people with that constantly because they've told me themselves they're not interested. So it's a very cool way of doing that. And I'll just show you what that sort of quiz page looks like. So this is sort of the results page. People get a score and people can see this sort of stuff. And look, hey, look, we've got an AI tool that may help you out. They're going to click that button. It's going to take them to an AI tool. It's going to take them to affiliate link for an AI product. Okay, you can get an idea of how that works there. And you've got your tools here. Okay, you've got your quiz list. It's empty at the moment. I'm not going to start making a quiz myself now because I'll probably fucking balls it up totally. Okay, so this is all empty at the moment. Oh no, here we go. I've got an example of what a quiz would look like. So this is what it'd be. So you've got your different questions. You can have different questions, different answers, and all that sort of stuff. Can I preview it? Let's give it a go. I haven't tried this out, but let's see if that works. It didn't do anything because this is just the review software at the moment. Okay, and you've got done few campaigns, and you've got integrations. This is good. This is a really good thing. Is because people are going to be opting in. You need to be able to integrate your autoresponders. You can do that through this part here. Okay, and you've got various upgrades. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. I think you've got the idea of what it's about. My impressions, I really like it. You know, I used to be into quiz funnels a couple of years ago, and then I sort of totally forgot about them. I used to use them, totally forgot about them. This has sort of completely reminded me about the power and the potential of quiz funnels. Wicked piece of software. The pages and the quizzes look very professional, and the fact that you can integrate your autoresponder and capture all these leads is a real plus as well. So yeah, if you do want to check it out, if you like what you've seen and you want to learn a bit more, I'm going to leave the link to Lead Intelligence. It's going to be below this video. Go check it out, have a little read, learn a little bit more, and go pick it up if it's something you're interested in. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you all the very best wherever you are. Keep killing it online, and I'll catch you real soon. Take care.